Hey guys, Cam TNT 3987 here. I just got my package from Amazon, so I'm going to do an unboxing. So, this is another thing I can take off my wants list. So, I wanted to add something to my wants list that I didn't have on there already, and it's Elite 17 Cena and Elite 17 Kofi Kingston. So, get this out and there it is. Elite 19 Ziggler. In the back of the box. I want any of these except for Miss Elizabeth. I don't really need her. I just want any of them. So yeah, just let me know if you guys want to trade anything. Check out my most recent collection video. If you see something you want, I'll let you know if it's for trade or not. So yeah, I'll see you later.